Hey Sonet enthusiasts! Buckle up, because Kia just dropped a bombshell with the Sonet Facelift. This midlife update isn't messing around, revving up the style, features, and safety to a whole new level. And guess what? Bookings open the 20th of December, so get ready to snag yours before they zoom off. First things first, let's talk looks. The Sonet Facelift throws on a fresh coat of paint, boasting new LED headlights with dazzling DRLs, a sharper grille, and a sporty bumper with rugged skid plates. Think of it as a superhero's glow-up for the road. Around back, the Seltos-inspired LED taillights connected by a bar scream sophistication, turning heads wherever you go. But the Sonet isn't just about a pretty face. Inside, it's a tech haven loaded with features to keep you entertained and informed. Imagine jamming out to a Bose sound system while navigating with a dual-screen digital panel, complete with a 10.25-inch cluster and touchscreen infotainment system. Need to park like a pro? No problem, the 360-degree camera with blind spot monitor has your back. And for a touch of luxury, enjoy features like ambient lighting, sunshades for the rear doors, and a power driver's seat that adjusts to your every whim. They take safety seriously, equipping the Sonet with ADAS Level 1 features like collision warnings, lane departure alerts, and even driver attention warning to keep you and everyone around you safe. And if that wasn't enough, 15 additional safety features like airbags, ABS, and Hill Start Assist are there to give you peace of mind on every drive. Under the hood, the Sonet sticks to what it knows best, offering the same engine options as before. But here's the exciting part: the diesel engine now gets a 6-speed manual option, giving you more control and fuel efficiency. And for those who like a little extra pep, the 1.0-liter turbo petrol and 1.5-liter diesel engines are still available with their automatic and manual transmission options. So, what are you waiting for? To buy the Kia Sonet, to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.